To make money on Temu using a free traffic method. Start by understanding what Temu is. Temu is an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell products to customers worldwide. The key to making money on Temu is to drive traffic to your store and convert that traffic into sales. First, create a professional-looking store on Temu by adding high-quality product images and detailed product descriptions. This will help build trust with potential customers and increase the chances of making a sale. Next, optimize your product listings for search by using relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. This will help your products appear in search results when customers are looking for products like yours. Now, to drive free traffic to your store, utilize social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Create business accounts on these platforms and post high-quality content that showcases your products and provides value to your followers. Use hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts and engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your store. Another way to drive free traffic to your store is by creating valuable content such as blog posts, videos, and podcasts. Share your content on social media and other platforms to attract potential customers and drive traffic to your store. To convert traffic into sales, offer competitive pricing, provide excellent customer service, and optimize your store for conversions by using clear calls to action and streamlining your checkout process. By following these steps and consistently promoting your store, you can drive free traffic to your Temu store and make money without spending a lot on advertising. Remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices on Temu to maximize your sales and grow your business.